Look, I like the point. It's something that it needs to motivate him to work more hard. He's still going to get a chance. Remember, you cannot do one thing in a week and then you expect that all of us must believe that we can do it. He's going to be one of the best players. And I see that he's starting to understand his role there at Kaizer Chiefs. Looking at how Coach Hugo Broos has been doing his things, when he decides that he wants this player, he will look at that player no matter what. Lodge deserves to get an opportunity. You need a player that has got experience. You need a player that can make things happen. He's got this thing of being a team player, and there's moments where you need that individual brilliance, and Lodge can give you that.
Angeke uperform kumagesi when you perform against abo Orbit, and where it matters most. And then in big games, you don't perform. The decision is come to is not performing consistent. Unama surprises. Sometimes my week during some Shaile's but we know what you can do. We watch games week in and week out. I don't understand. Doesn't make sense. That's why it is in his into. Because Salaseko Pirates is a question. He performed in one of the biggest tournament in the world. We talk about Club World Cup. He performed against Man City, one of the best team in the world, against best defenders, scoring week in and week out. In Kulmanga Guidat, one of the best team in continent. Yeah. He's proved himself. Guma Dabis, one play of the season. But Lodge, we talk about the experience. Lodge was going to help you. There's no way Lodge coach It doesn't make sense for me.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.